YouTubers, Allison Creamer here, and I want to share with you a quick tip on how you can save your summer with an HVAC contractor. And I am not talking about the heat, so watch the video and check it out.
This is what we call in the HVAC world Drive. You can pick that up at any supply house, HVAC supply house, or go to an HVAC company that has a machine that makes Drive for ductwork. As you see how it's bent. Simply fasten it to the chair. This chair had anchors underneath. You remove these anchors, this frame comes apart, you sandwich it in between, bend them, then fasten your fasteners back, cut and measure. You ain't ripping it.
So I noticed this side is flat and this side has the groove. Is there a reason for that?
For the side that is going to be the bottom, of course, is so the cushions doesn't get cut. The back is so people don't reach over and grab this. It can cut, but it's not that sharp. So you put this towards the cushion, it will not cut the cushion more than likely.
And now you're just spray painting it?
That's it.
Adding cushions,
That's
and we
it.
never have to string them again.
That's it.
Thanks. And that, guys, is how my HVAC contractor saved my summer. I didn't have to spend $1,500 on a new lawn set. We were able to salvage one that we've had for years that I absolutely love, with these Drive slats, a fresh coat of paint, and some new cushions. Hope that inspires you to upcycle, recycle, and use what you already have.